Here comes the holiday season. What's your marketing plan for the holidays? Now, competitors, they're already strategizing, and shoppers, they're already checking off those lists. So to stay top of mind this holiday shopping season, don't just wish for a well-planned marketing campaign. Let's make it happen. On social media, aligning your brand with the holiday vibe can help you connect with customers wherever they're at. To capture that vibe with super engaging visuals, tools like GoDaddy Studio are key. Now, for example, Facebook can be a great tool for posting and boosting feel-good, shareable content about what the holidays mean, well, to you, and also target a younger audience. Now, social media often gets the most attention, and why wouldn't it? But don't leave your email list out in the cold. Not this year, baby. Get ahead of Black Friday or Cyber Monday by sending a sale email a few days or weeks early, not the morning of. A re-engagement campaign leading to the holiday season can help get inactive subscribers interested again, and who doesn't want that? Now, to attract customers and close sales, you need to actually have an attractive and functional website. We're not looking at something from 1997 anymore. If you're a brick and mortar business, ensure your local SEO is strong so customers can find you on Google. Determine your promotional offers first. Select offers that align with your business personality and products. Ideas include promotional codes, buy one, get one sales, product bundles, love a good product bundle, contests, and giveaways. Now, once promotions are outlined, create the content and establish a posting schedule. You don't want to be left out in the cold again, do you? Share holiday-themed graphics on social media throughout the season. Post fun quotes, announce sales, and share important information using your holiday visual campaign. Develop a theme for your holiday campaign such as character, mascot, slogan, or color scheme. Consistency in your visuals will help you get noticed quickly by fans and followers. Check the link in the description for more must-have guidance and tools, and don't forget to share and save this video for later.